Number 1 deals with combining like terms in distribution. So the first problem, some places where you might have made mistakes. First thing, this 4 plus here at the beginning, that you do not distribute the 4. The 4 is not being multiplied to this quantity. So if I were to rewrite the first part, it would look exactly the same without parentheses. Now for the second part, place where many people make mistakes, that minus 5 times the quantity 2x plus 5, got to think about that like a negative 5. You have to distribute that negative sign along with the 5. So that should be minus 10x minus 25. And that is the distribution for this first problem. Now our like terms are for adding and subtracting. Our terms, we have 5 of them. We're looking to see which terms have the same variable part. So it looks like we have a 3x and a minus 10x. So 3x minus 10x, that is negative 7x. Sorry about that. Our other like terms are the stuff without the x's, our constants, our numbers. 4 plus 2 minus 25. 4 plus 2 minus 25. Let's add 4 and 2, so we get 6 minus 25. Therefore, our final answer for the first one is 7x minus 19. If you tried the you made a mistake problem, let's go through that one as well. Looks like running through 8 plus 2 times the quantity x minus 4 minus the quantity 4x minus 2. So going left to right, let's distribute the 2 to this first quantity. So we get 8 plus 2x minus 8. Now another place you might have made a mistake, this minus sign. That tricks people. Think about it like a negative 1 out here in front. And we're going to distribute that negative 1, that minus 1. So it's minus 4x plus 2. That's where a lot of mistakes happen with that plus 2 at the end. Going through and looking for our like terms, we have our positive 2x, our minus 4x. So 2x minus 4x is negative 2x. And our constants, 8 minus 8 plus 2. 8 minus 8 plus 2. 8 minus 8 is 0, plus 2 is plus 2. And there's our answer for that one.